Yeah, so I think I want to, the questions about the sequential shopping can explain a lot about how indeed this project has helped, the World Bank has helped Myanmar in making sure that we have this least cost path toward universal access. There are many ways, I think, to define a path from the point where we are today, when it's only 1 out of 3 Myanmar citizens who have access to electricity, to the point when all of Myanmar citizens have access to electricity. The path that the team has come up supporting Myanmar government is this least cost plan. It means that, okay, where with limited resources, a budget constraint, what you address first is where you can get the biggest impact with lowest dollars. And you keep going, because it is quite clear that the ultimate goal is to bring electricity to everyone. No one will be left behind. But certainly you need to have some approach on how to do that, how to maximize limited resources. It looks like a least cost path seems to be a reasonable way to go forward, knowing that it is clear that no one will be left behind. It could be that there is a sequencing issue whereby maybe some communities will wait a little bit longer, but there is a lot of trade-off. It's very unfortunate, a lot of trade-off one has to do sometimes. So in this area, when you have budget constraint, I don't know if you can elaborate on the technical solution. I think it was actually a very innovative way to approach the development of the NEP. You can maybe elaborate on that one. And it is accessible online, isn't it? The plan that was executed. Thank you.
Thank you, Abdullah. Thanks again for all the questions. I thought I think David's question that to encourage us to think big, think forward.